How's it going, guys, girls? Found out something pretty wild. So in these RVs, they get their structure. I might have said this before, but I might not have said it in detail. But it's really odd that they get their structure this way. So you have your steel beams. You know, I mean, they're obviously gonna have to be replaced. But you have your steel beams, and you have your cats in between your beams, and then your wood trusses in some vehicles, but this doesn't have any wood in it. That's the only wood it has in it, and two pieces running right along in here for the cab. And but they laminate this 1/8 inch Luan underlayment floorboard is what it is. It's real thin stuff, real thin cheap stuff, but they laminate that with a glue that doesn't release over time in heat and cold cycles, and it's laminated to your styrofoam, and then it's a sandwich. So it's a styrofoam sandwich with Luan, glue, styrofoam, insulation, and then it would be another layer of glue and Luan, and then your wallpaper, or in this case for the ceiling, this thick stuff. It's almost like a membrane. It's holding out all the moisture, or a good portion of it, and keeping the mold. All this would be covered in mold, but that's keeping it from coming through. So I just found that pretty odd. And well, we're gonna put some wood trusses in here to give us some stuff to run some screws up into. And it's really wild that they just had the cabinets on the walls, and I don't even think they had the screws in the top. And they might have. Yeah, I pulled out a couple, but not many. So we're gonna get the rest of this tore off, and we'll catch you after a while.